Wraith. I got the gas, 35 for an 8.
OG gas.
Copper Draco called at the baby K. A nigga acting up, I gotta let it spray. You know I'm streaming CAP into my day. Fuck nigga, throw it up in your face. Now let TK, but I'm fighting me a case. They tryna say I serve the police, that's a J.
Fuck 12.
They won't get Little Bird, not today.
Nah.
Skirt, then I pulled up on the plate.
Yeah.
If I don't beat that shit, then bitch, I'm doing a race. Free Murph, that's my motherfucking ace.
Free Murph.
Hit the studio and lay it down on wax. Everything that I'm saying, straight facts. You hear the streets talking about me, so just ask. I was just 16, serving A1 Thrax.
A1 gas.
Pop a perk, then I'm turned up to the max.
Hey.
All night, hit your little bitch from the back. I was 15, got caught with them zips.
With them zips.
High school, bitch, you know I had that whip.